Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. Whoa, we're in the trunk of the Mercury now. What's going on? Here, I'll show you. This is the old sending unit, and you can see it's a two-prong. So all it is just to the gauge and a ground. That's it. The one that I ordered, and I knew this was going to be an issue, is a three-prong. What it has down here, this is a low fuel indicator. When the fuel drops down to this point, it throws the switch inside of here, which is this lead, and it lights the little light up on your dash saying, hey, you got to get fuel. Well, it's the only sending unit that they had in stock, so that's why I got this, but I knew there was a way around it. So I got to convert that to a 2-wire. This is the one on the car. You can see it's a 2-wire and it's a molded plug. It's all rubber around here and it's made to seal right on there. Just like that. So it locks it on there and keeps it on there. But the configuration is totally different. So I went out to that 77 motorhome and I'll be gall darn, it's the same plug as a 68 pigtail, the exact same pigtail plug. So what I did is I took the universal hose remover and all I did is just whittle that out, made room up there. So it'll go on just like that. Now, there is provisions here later on for the low fuel indicator light, which this car actually has it in the dash, but there's no wire run all the way up there. And I don't feel like running a wire to have it pop on and tell me when the fuel's low. I know when the fuel is low, so I'm not going to bother hooking it up. But it does have provisions for that. If anybody wants to add it later, whoever gets the car after me, you know, it's there. Knock yourself out. All you got to do is run a wire from here up to that light. Now, it's not a hot wire. All it is a ground. When this switch down here, when the fuel drops down to this point, yeah, I got my little Inspector Eddie here checking over my work. All it does is make a ground contact here, and which lights the light up front. That's all that does. So any kind of a ground wire running from here up to that light, and it works. Anyway, that's where I'm at. So now all I got to do is throw some shrink tube on this to protect it. Cut this plug off. I'll probably cut it off back in here somewhere, butt connect it, shrink wrap it up with these wires, and she's good to go. My gas gauge works. So that's where I'm at with that, and well, I'm about ready to jack this up and stick that tank under there. In the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot, and we'll keep this old American iron on the road where it belongs. Ain't that right, Eddie? See there? I got an Edelbrock in the trunk of a Mercury. That's his name. I named him Edelbrock. Why? Because the wife would not let me name him Holly. That's why. We'll catch you on the next one.